Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're talking about a major legal development involving former US President Donald Trump and the BBC. This case has gained attention internationally because it involves questions of media responsibility, free speech, and legal accountability. Let's break down exactly what happened, why it matters, and what could happen next. Former President Trump has filed a $10 billion defamation lawsuit against the BBC. The lawsuit centers on a portion of Trump's January 6, 2021 speech that he says was edited in a way that misrepresented his remarks. Trump claims that this edited clip presented him in a false light before the 2024 election. This is one of the largest defamation cases in recent U.S. history. Trump alleges that the BBC altered video content of his speech, changing the context and meaning. The lawsuit seeks financial compensation of $10 billion for damages caused by the alleged misrepresentation. The case has been filed in a U.S. court, and legal proceedings are expected to last months or even years. According to Trump's legal team, the edited clip could have influenced public perception, especially during the lead-up to the 2024 presidential election. The lawsuit highlights questions about how news organizations edit and present content. It could set precedents for future defamation claims against major media outlets. Courts will have to balance freedom of the press with individual rights to protect reputation. The BBC is a British organization, so this lawsuit also raises questions about cross-border legal responsibility for media organizations. The legal process will likely involve initial filings and responses from the BBC Discovery, where both sides exchange evidence, possible hearings and motions before a trial. Legal experts suggest that cases like this often take a long time to resolve. The BBC has not yet issued a public response to the lawsuit. Americans may not be directly affected by the lawsuit, but it is important for understanding media law and accountability, which can influence journalism practices globally. Donald Trump has filed a $10 billion defamation lawsuit against the BBC over a January 6 speech edit. The case raises media responsibility, free speech, and international legal questions. The court proceedings will take time, and the outcome could have broad implications for media and journalism. If you want clear explanations like this on important U.S. news and government developments, subscribe to the channel for daily updates. Thanks for watching.